In this video, we will be understanding how to use the point of sale system in our WordPress. So this is a cloud-based point of sale system which is working with WooCommerce inventory system. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So this is a full screen. We can click on it to enable the full screen mode. Now these are the categories that we can change the photos or text in the WooCommerce categories. This is a product, and product cost and is actually configured in the products in the WordPress backend. If you want to add extra products, click on it. The quantity will automatically increase. Also, you can change the quantity manually, or you can change the cost also. When you click on pay, you get the payment gateways that you have enabled in the setup. You can also add notes. And click on it. Also, we can add shipping address if the order can be shipped. For example, this is my shipping address. This is a manual field. Also, we can generate some custom products only for these orders. Okay, I just changed the user from guest to my user. Okay, this is, we can also add guest users or add users which are already present in WordPress. And once everything is done and you are ready, we can save it or pay. How to save it? It's simple. If you don't want to do the order, you can just simply save it, and it will be saved. Before saving, you will get a receipt. You can cancel it. Now, if you want to pay the exact amount and everything, you can simply click on load, and it will try to retrieve the sales that were saved. So this is the saved. Let's click on load. Now you can see everything has been loaded again. Let's try to pay and click on the amount and simply click on the pay. Once you click on pay, an email and print will be automatically generated, and that's it. Thank you.